A Pennsylvania judge handed out the first jail sentences in the hazing death of Penn State sophomore Timothy Piazza. The 19-year-old died in February of 2017 after an alcohol-fueled event at the Beta Theta Pi fraternity house. Piazza's death led to criminal charges against 28 former fraternity members. 3 of them will now serve time behind bars. Jericka Duncan is here with the details of their punishment. Jericka, good morning.
Good morning. We've been covering this story from the very, very beginning. This has been one of the largest hazing prosecutions in U.S. history. The 3 former Beta Theta Pi brothers who received jail time yesterday had pleaded guilty to charges related to hazing. 21-year-old Luke Visser and Michael Bonatucci were both sentenced to up to 6 months in jail. 20-year-old Joshua Krajewski received up to 9 months. The judge also gave 21-year-old Joseph Sala up to 10 months of house arrest. All 4 men also received probation and will pay fines. Visser, Bonatucci, and Sala were given community service. The judge may later amend the 3 sentences to house arrest. Piazza family attorney Tom Klein said Timothy's parents, Jim and Evelyn, were in the courtroom for yesterday's sentencing. Klein said it was a significant step forward in the long road to justice. Meanwhile, there are still more members to be sentenced. Last year, a judge dismissed the most serious allegations against some of the students, including felony aggravated assault charges. A judge also tossed involuntary manslaughter charges against the fraternity's president and pledge master, who are still awaiting trial. And I can tell you, speaking with those parents when all of this first happened, they were determined to see this thing through, and also not just because they wanted justice in reference to the people they believed were involved, but they also want to make sure that message of how dangerous hazing is gets out there.
Yeah, they want to prevent pain for other people. Every time I see that picture of Tim Piazza in the football jersey or with his baseball cap turned on backwards, and we've all talked to his parents, and you feel their pain, and they really do want to help others, but they also want justice for their son. I hope this gives them some amount of comfort, because nothing will bring Tim back. We know that.
Jim and Evelyn, I think of them all the time.
I do too, Norah.
I think of them, and what they are doing is so admirable, letting it be known that there will be punishment for this kind of behavior. They are trying to reform this fraternity system. Absolutely. Thank you, Jericka. You've been on this from the beginning.
They were in court again yesterday. Imagine that, Norah. You have to sit and listen to this again.
Exactly.